a while since we filmed here. That's right. 990 Grove. Last time I came up here was to pick up the selector. And now is the first time seeing the elevator fully modernized. So, wow. Same cab. But this is new. So weird. I see they didn't change anything else. And then the machine room used to be here, but it's locked now. Oh, just kidding. It's up there, but it's all new stuff. It's just a Hollister Whitney machine, nothing new. This is the exact same as before. It's weird. Everything but the elevator is still old as shit. And honestly, I don't know what they did with the cab here. They literally just took out the drop ceiling and left this. But I'm assuming that's temporary. Honestly though, not a bad mod at all. $9.90 Grove. All right, that's it.